Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just like a really spicy cut crease using the Rimmel Magnifeyes Spice Edition palette. This palette is gorgeous. This is my second time using it and I am absolutely in love. If you guys want a swatch and review video of this, let me know in the comments down below and I will gladly do that for you guys. And if you want to see how I got this look using this stunning palette, then keep watching. First, I'm going in with that second bone shade there, and I'm popping that in the crease with my Morphe M441. I'm going to try to describe the colors as best as I can in this tutorial, so bear with me. Next, I'm taking that bone shade and that orangey, burnt orange shade and popping this in the crease. I was not prepared for how pigmented this bright orange, or this burnt orange shade was, because I barely put any on the brush. It's crazy. Next, I'm taking that bone color, that burnt orange shade, and this like darker brown shade and popping this in the crease. That like dark brown shade is just adding a little depth to the look. I wish these eyeshadows had names, so I'm doing my best trying to describe them. I'm sorry if the descriptions aren't that good. Next, I'm just blending out a lot, and I'm blending on the side and this with the side of my brush, and this really helps like blend out and fade out the shade. Next, I'm going in with that like purpley color, and I'm going to be popping this in the crease with a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I'm using that like smudger side and putting this in the crease and just really carving out and then blending. This was a lot of back and forth with this shade because I wanted to build it up, and I'm putting it in the outer V as well. This shade is so pretty. It's one of my favorites. Next, I'm taking the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just cutting out my crease with that INMO brush. I got this in my February Yes Oh Yes bag, and I really like this brush for cutting out the crease, and I'm only doing it halfway, pretty much meeting where that purple shade that I just laid down on the outer V is, just to, you know, do that half cut crease look. Next, I'm taking that really pretty, it's like a peachy shade. It doesn't look like a peachy corally. It doesn't look like that peachy corally when I'm holding the palette up, but in person, it was very peachy and corally. So I'm just patting that on the lid with a brush. It didn't really work out so well with my finger, and because it was a half cut crease, I wanted to use a brush to be more precise. So now I'm going back in with that purple, and I'm just going to be carving out the crease again a little bit and just kind of adding some depth as well. This look is just so pretty, and I'm also adding it to the outer V again using the same Anastasia brush and just blending it out a little bit. And then I'm just taking that purple again and I'm just smudging it along the lower lash line. And once I get that purple down, I'm just going to take the 3 shades that I used in the crease and I'm going to be running them along the lower lash line as well. Just so you know, you guys know I love to do this just to really smoke everything out. It's my favorite thing to do, and I just feel like it really ties the whole look together. Like I said, it's one of my favorite things to do when it comes to my makeup. Next, I'm taking this J-Cat Holy Addiction bronze eyeliner. I shouldn't have added this. I'm putting it in my waterline. You can't even see it. It went away right when I blinked. It's not a good eyeliner. So I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face. And I am back. I added some layering and mascara and all this stuff. Next, I'm using the Stay Satin liquid lipstick in the shade Shoulder Pads. This has been one of my favorite shades of all time ever. It's just a really gorgeous like peachy nude. It is just perfect. They are so comfortable. These are from Rimmel, as well as the eyeshadow palette. They're just amazing. I absolutely love them. If you guys want a swatch and review of them, let me know in the comments down below because I will do one. I have a couple other colors so I can do a video. And this is the completed look. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media as well. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I will gladly do a swatch and review video of this. Let me know if you want to see that. Or if there's any specific colors you want using this palette, let me know in the comments down below and I will do that ASAP for you guys. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!